Welcome to the informative new POCO C40, and I'll show you how to remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just select the screen where we want to add the widget. For example, I'll go with the new one to show you how you can do that. And now just let hold for a while our device screen, and after that you'll see here the widgets icon. Tap here once, and after that you can see here all the available applications which widgets you can add. For example, we can see that the YouTube Music has only one widgets type. The Google Drive has 4 different types of the widgets. The Chrome also 2. The Weather 2. Clocks has 1, 2, 3, 4 different widgets. So for example, let's use the calendar one. We can add here the full calendar months view or just the schedule. For example, let's add the schedule. Just to add the widget, you should hold it, and after that drag it here to your device home screen. If you wanna just resize the widget, you should hold, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller by this way. You can move the widgets here on the screen, just hold and drag it. Also, we can move widgets between the screens, and we should just hold and drag it, for example, to the left side here, or we can create the new screens with the widget, just hold and drag here to the right side. And if you want to remove it, you just should hold it, and after that drag it here to the right upper corner to remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.